What's good, YouTube? HRHD here, back again now with another video, and today we're going to be talking about two products, both from Pilot Electronics, and let me tell you, these products are really nice. I got it for my 16th birthday, which is actually today, so yay. That out of the way. And before we start, I'm going to apologize for if the camera may be shaky, and this is because I'm on a carpet, so not that stable of a ground floor, so it may move a little bit. So yeah, that's all. Now let's get into the video. So this right here is a Pilot Electronics electroluminescent charge and sync cable. I have for Android, but on the website they also have it for iOS, iPhone, Apple. So first of all, let me pull up on all these things you can get on Amazon, and I will show you where. So first of all, so here is the first one, and I got a green. First, let me show you the product. So here's the green one. It's fairly long. It's maybe about like 1 meter, about. I could say good or so, yeah. So it is a micro USB. SD. I can't talk. Sorry. Micro USB to whatever, you understand it. And so here's the USB slot, and it is actually fairly large. I don't know if you can see, but you can, if you look closely enough, you can actually see through the plastic into all the components that make this work. So put that aside, and here you can see they have, here is the product. Can you see? Yes. Sorry if it looks a little bad or grainy. So it's a Pilot electroluminescent a version 2 charge and sync micro USB cable. And I actually have a different color. I have the green one, which is actually cheaper by... So here's the things. Here are the prices for pink, orange, green, and blue. So I chose green because I have green, obviously. And so, let's see. It's $24, so you're looking at $25. And let's look at the description. Pilot Electronics, part of Pilot Automotive. Let's see. I'm not going to read through all that. If you want, you can just pause the video and read. And let's see the features. Electroluminescent cables light up to the rate of the charge. Okay. Product provides a visible flow of current. Okay. 3 feet in length. Okay, so I was about right. 360-degree cable illumination offers a high ambient glow and bold green color. So from right, you can look it all over, and it will still show. So here's all the stuff. And so I'm actually going to be plugging it into this phone, Galaxy Note Edge. Shout out to all the people who have this phone. And so let's do it. So let me show you right here. I have right here. All right. So let me show you this. Sorry, folks. I'm just unplugging stuff here. Alright, so I'm going to be plugging it in. Oh, this is a fast adaptive charge. I can't use that here. Also, if you have a Samsung device and you use the adaptive fast charge on your phone that supports adaptive fast charge, it will it will make the USB part very, very hot. It will. Trust me, I'm saying that from experience. I should have known better, but oh well. So we're using just a regular cable, and we're going to be plugging it into, let's see if I can reach it out. We're going to be plugging into this. This I'm actually charging the other product I got, which is a pair of earphones that light up. So I just opened it, so it's now charging. So plug it in, and let's see. Okay. Oh wow, that's amazing. Let me try to lower the brightness down in here. Let me try to... no, okay, there we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that made it worse. Alright. And you may think, why just not edit this or anything? No editing in the labs. If you know Flossy Carter on YouTube, that comes from him. No editing in the labs. So let's unplug that and let's try that again. Oh, wow. You can see that clearly. That's amazing. That is amazing. Alright. So we're going to plug it into this. Alright. So let's do it. Alright. So, here we go. Oh my god. And I'm also experiencing this firsthand as like all of you. These are my first time opening these packages. Wow. That's impressive. And as you can see, you might be able to see that, we are charging. Alright. So, wow, okay. That's impressive. Let me just put this out to see full view. That is impressive. Wow. Alright. So, this is the Pilot Electronics, Pilot Automotive, electroluminescent, micro USB cable, charging, and sync. So that is impressive. Let me just try to strain the cable out. Oof. Okay. There we go. Wow. That's impressive. Alright. So, that's out of the way. Moving on to the next product. I'm actually still charging this, but it should have a good amount of battery in it. So this is the Pilot Electronics headphone, light up headphones. So as you can see right here, and let me pull up the Amazon. Let me pull it up on the Amazon for you. So go to Amazon, Pilot Electronics, and here's all the products. So, Pilot Electronics, some numbers, electroluminescent, V2 audio response, auxiliary, oh no, this is not it. Headphones, here we go, the headphones. Alright. So, Pilot Electronics, electroluminescent, V2 audio response headphones. Blue, I'm going to change it to green because that's what I got. Good, okay. And so, the ones in the picture look a little bit different than the ones that I have now, but okay, so no problem. Let's see. Features and details. Let's do this. Electroluminescent cable lights up to the beat of the music. Oh, okay, that'll be interesting. Watch the flow of current. All right. Provides sound quality, strong quality sound. Sorry about that. Built with quality manufacture and bold green color. It said bold green color on this one, and damn right it is. Okay. So, alright. 3 out of 3. 3 out of 5 stars. So, here is the product right there. Oh, if that's as good as it looks there, then, oh, wow. Alright, so, here's where it is. Here is the main control center. You have, let's unplug this. So, basically, you have the, call button right there.